Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to over how to draw a Halloween bat. It's going to be real simple, really simplistic shape. I think Halloween symbols are some of the most easy things you can do because they're so iconic and you can draw them any which way. And there's going to be a bunch of different versions for the month. So let's get started with the bat. I'm going to be using this marker. You can use any marker you want. So let's get started on that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of a mark right there. It's like a bent, like a slightly curved line. Kind of aiming in that direction. Pulling down. It's gonna pull up right here for the ear, the bat ear. It's gonna pull down a little bit further along that curve. Up. Down, and it's gonna pull another curve. So that's the idea. Is this is the top of the wing, and this is the other side of the wing here. I'm going to pull an upside down U shape. Pull it again. Pull it one more time. That one's smallest. So it's going to come to the middle there like a tail. Pull up. And I'm going to try to duplicate these curves but on the other end. So I'm going to pull that upside down U shape. And I'm going to pull it again. So you can have a couple of choices here. You can color it in with a colored pencil or crayon, or you can do what I'm about to do, which is I'm about to put like a triangular shape for lines. For eyes. I don't know why I wrote that. So it's a triangular shape for eyes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally fill it in with the marker. Be careful how big you draw these bats, because if you draw them very big, you're going to be using up a lot of your marker, and you don't want to do that. So this isn't too big of a bat, so I'm not going to totally kill my marker. But yeah, it's pretty much good. Who is doing Inktober? Is anybody doing Inktober? Let me know in the comments. I am certainly not doing that. That is way too much of an obligation. But maybe I'll do like one Inktober video or something. But I just don't have time to do like a drawing every single day. Like a very specific Inktober drawing. So just fill it in, and the idea is you don't want to fill it in and you don't want to let it dry. You want to just fill it in all at once, so it's all wet and moist at once, and then it'll kind of dry, close enough. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did like it. If you were able to, duplicate this, it should be easy. Let me know in the comments. Also, like I said, let me know what other Halloween stuff you want to see out of this channel. I'm gonna make it happen throughout the throughout the month. So see you soon, guys.